uploaded a video talking about a new no credit score needed, no down payment has to be made, no closing costs have to be paid mortgage loan that Bank of America is now offering to people, but only if you move into predominantly black or Hispanic neighborhoods. And boy, oh boy, did I hear the outcry of the people. Y'all went in about this loan. So we need to talk about it today, and there is so much more that I did not cover about Bank of America, about the loan, just about a lot. Before we get into all of that good stuff, what's up guys? This is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I'm back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum. Thanks for stopping by, but don't be a stranger. Hit that subscribe button and join the family. So in case you did not see this last video, let me give you a quick rundown. I'm going to summarize what's going on. So Bank of America is offering a loan, and in this loan they are saying that no minimum credit score is needed because they will not be looking at people's credit scores. They're actually going to be looking at your payment history and some other factors that will allow them to determine if you will be able to repay this loan. And some of them other factors about repayment includes income. But Bank of America said they're doing this because they want to try to close the gap that remains between white home ownership and black and Hispanic home ownership. Now, if that's true or not, I'm no judge, no jury. You decide for yourself. So another thing that they are doing is they are assisting with down payments. You will not be required to pay a down payment. They have a program where they are offering $10,000 to $15,000 in assistance. They have grants that they're going to be giving so that you can have equity in your home when you're first going into it. And the last thing is you will not have any closing costs, so then that decreases the amount of money that you will have to save up to get into the house, helping to put you in a better place to be approved and get your home. Last time I shared all the good stuff about this new loan, and for some people it is good, but today we're gonna have to get to the ugly truth, okay? But I'm doing this because I really want you to have all the information you need to make an informed decision, and so that you and your family could put yourselves in the best place. And do not let anybody bully you into making a decision. Y'all take this and then you just figure it out for yourself, okay? But one of the things a lot of people did get mixed up is they thought that this loan is only for minorities, but no, anybody can get this loan no matter what the race is, but you have to only purchase a home in a predominantly black or Hispanic neighborhood. So that's where the first problem lies with many people. And I won't lie, when I first saw this and I saw that they were giving these loans, which could be a good thing for some, however they are forcing you into black and Hispanic neighborhoods only, I was like, why can't people go anywhere they want to? And because of the fact they are saying that these loans are out of reach if you're trying to go to any other neighborhood, but you can only go to black and Hispanic neighborhoods, that's why a lot of people are upset with this, as you know they should be. And this is why a lot of people are saying this is redlining. But on the other hand, I will say this much: I live in New Orleans, and I know of a particular neighborhood that is a gated community. Is where a lot of celebrities live. They have mansions back there. They cost a pretty penny, and these are black neighborhoods. So there can be some good in this. Let me know what you think about it, because there are some people that are already looking to buy in black neighborhoods. So would you say that these people should not get this type of loan? In your opinion, can this be beneficial to people? Let me know down below. So I know another huge problem that many people had with this new mortgage that Bank of America is offering is not the mortgage itself, it's Bank of America, because they had a lot of stuff going on, y'all, and I'm going to tell you about that part. But I want to focus first on another big thing that people were complaining about, and that is that they believe these are the same type of loans that led to the huge housing crisis that happened in 2008. And if you are not familiar with what happened, what was going on in 2008, basically subprime mortgages were made available to people who had low credit scores and who were a high risk for defaulting on these loans. And another thing that financial institutions did back then was they gave people adjustable mortgages, which means that the payments started out low, which was affordable for them, but over time those mortgage payments increased big time. And then the bank ended up selling these loans to commercial investors. People started defaulting on the loans, but the bank wasn't worried because they got their money and they left everybody out in the cold. So if you compare what was going on back then, what they were offering before this housing crisis and financial crisis happened, right now they're doing no credit score needed, no down payment needed, no closing costs needed. Does this sound similar to you to what happened in 2008? Because honestly, the price of houses is still high. The mortgage rates are still up there, although they're saying they're expecting the housing market to cool some. It's still pretty high, and unfortunately I could not find any information about this new loan that Bank of America is doing as far as what the payments will look like, because a lot of you asked that, and I don't know what the interest rate will look like. I'm not sure if they'll be hyping it up because they're giving a better situation to some people, putting it in a better package, and they putting a higher price on it. I'm not 100% sure on what that will look like because they have not said any more about that part. So let's talk a little bit about good old Bank of America, because they have been in some stuff, y'all. Now I will tell you, I was ignorant to this, and I thank you all who were in the comments enlightening us who were not familiar with some of these things, because guess what, as I come here to share things with you, you guys also teach me things too, and I appreciate that. So according to the Department of Justice, the Bank of America in 2014 was ordered to pay $16.65 billion. Yes, you heard me correct, billion. And this was the largest civil settlement of a single entity in American history, y'all. That's big. And they just had several civil suits filed against them, and one of them was because they were saying that they were ensuring that their customers were able to repay loans. But it is said that they actually had information on these borrowers that they had a high probability of defaulting on these loans. In so many words, it said that they basically knew these people wouldn't be able to pay. And a U.S. attorney at the time said that they were cutting corners, y'all. They said that they got real greedy. And I always tell people, no matter what, the bank is always in the business of making money, and they need you to make it. So of course, although they are creating these beautiful things to, as they say, help people, they really are helping themselves. They're not gonna give it to you unless they benefit. And they are said to be one of the people that contributed to that housing crisis in 2008. So with that being said, it is very good that you guys are questioning their intentions. Why are they doing this? A lot of people think they're trying to clean up their mess because they have caused a lot of problems, and so they need customers. They need to make money. So how they do it, they go out and they offer these loans to people who can't afford it so that they can get some more money in their pocket. And another suit that they actually had that they settled and ended up paying $335 million for, because they were alleged to be discriminating against blacks and Hispanics that were actually qualified for their loans. And now they're turning around trying to help those same people that they just had to pay those big bucks for by giving them loans. So now that you have this information, let me know if you were one who first saw the video. Are you still interested? Have your feelings towards this changed? Like I said before, some people actually can benefit from this if you are smart about it, though. You know, we can, although these situations are sometimes messed up, we can go ahead and outsmart the people that's trying to get us, and we can use it to our advantage. It's chess, not checkers. But other than that, if you have not liked this video, please do so, because your like helps to get this information out to more people, and we need this to reach as many people as it can. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. But other than that, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we are out. Peace.